Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I want to have a face to face with whoever are the murderers, whoever are there. I will ask them that because of you, you have murdered the people. This will be my statement to the health minister. When you know that Baba, there are 200 people are going to die, you made this statement. We didn't make this statement. Okay, lockdown, this thing, that you made this statement, 200 people are going to die. So out of those 200, 75 are dying. So when you know, that means you are not prepared. That's what I'm trying to say. How you know that 200 people will die? And on what basis you are talking about 200 people will die? You just tell me. What assessment? Who has given you this assessment that 200 people will die? No other health minister has made this assessment in the country. Only this one has made. See, over the dead people also, these people will eat money. What stopped the chief minister to hold that portfolio with you till this crisis get over? Keep it with you now. Till this, now you are handling it only. There can be only one captain of a ship.
Government मोठो डिसिजन घेवचे आणि हे सरकार डिसॉल्व करून उडोवचे आणि सगळं जो हे आसा राष्ट्रपती राजवट लावन सरळ काढून ऑफिसरा कडेन बरे ऑफिसर नेमचे आणि ताजेर उपाय योजना करची.
But this government, whatever it is doing, is too little, too late, and therefore I feel that this government has no moral authority to continue. The only solution is a court-monitored task force, which is the way forward in this COVID situation.
That it is too late for you to start this blame game and divert the attention. It is beyond your control. आज last is not the least. आज एकलं म्हणटालो आपण तिसवाडी राजा, आनी एकलं म्हणटालो आपण भारदेश राजा, आनी एकलं म्हणटालो आपण सत्तरी राजा. खुंय ते राजा? Be prepared. There is a third wave coming. Experts are saying that there is a third wave coming. The children are going to be at danger. Where are NICU beds? Where are these? Start work already. Prepare for the next. Don't wait for things to happen. Start portable oxygen plants.
इतले मजगती गोंय सरकाराक 18 ते 44 वर्सां पिरायेच्या लोकां खातीर सुमार 32,870 डोस पावल्यात. मंगळारा 2,21,775 जाणांक पयलो डोस जाल्यार 89,447 जाणांक दुसरो डोस दिलो. आतां मेरेन 4,669 जाणांक वॅक्सिन दिल्यात. अजून 2,28,500 डोस उरल्यात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.